Alright.
Okay, hold on.
That's a bad idea. You want to hold your beer?
Put 1 foot out
Hold
first.
my beer.
Put 1 foot out first. There you go. Hang tight. I'm coming in. Where's the pedal?
Right here. Right here. Right here.
Oh, sweet. Thank you.
Hey, Ethan, I'm going to hand you your glove back.
You're so thoughtful, Jamila. I'm coming aboard. This may be bad.
All aboard the SS Fuck Up.
Here you go.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
I can't believe you actually made that.
I told you, I'm good with this.
How cold is this water?
Pretty fucking cold.
Probably in the 20s. Because of the way that...
Steer away!
Oh, don't capsize.
You need gloves, man? You need gloves?
I got gloves.
Okay.
Even in the summer and the...
Steer! We need to go find America. This is too much fun, man. Dude, what if this had like an electric motor?
There's a mount for it.
There's a mount for this? For electric motor? Look, now we're in sync. We're beautifully in sync.
Alright, turn.
Turning! Turning!
Like a fish. Like a retarded fish. Retarded green fish. That's cute. I'm drunk. A drunk fish. Alright. We're going down the straightaway, bud.
No! Right. No! We need reverse.
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 Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Reverse.
I'm trying to give you something.
There we go.
I'm trying to give you a hat. Hold on, come over here.
Is my hair all covered in snow?
Yeah, it's covered in snow, dude.
You
Trying
guys
to get it out kind of so that it doesn't really like turn into water.
my fingers are fucking freezing. Let's go.
Go. Slide to the left. Reverse. Slide to the right.
We gotta get in sync, man.
Come on, bro.
America!
Alright.
Oh no! Break! Take a right! Oh no!
Oh shit, we didn't put the fin on, did we?
Didn't put what fin on? Who's that? Who is that?
Hi. Matt?
This is not Matt. I don't know who you're talking about.
Who's Matt?
Who's Matt?
Bitch is PMSing. Shit.
Everyone thinks you're Matt because Matt lives at the Grove and he works at the Grove.
Come on, Matt.